Uyazi my fellow people, khona into engidlayo nje today that I'd like to share with you, and I think it's very, very unique for everyone to know. Uyabona, Apostle Paul la ubhale something is very deep. Lento ayibhala it's very, very deep. Uthi Apostle Paul encwadini Hebrews chapter number 11 uthi now faith is a substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. Ukholwa kwethu kuyizinto ezethenjwayo but izinto ezingabonwayo. Uyayizwa ukuthi injani lonto le. So now we have lento yabantu khona umuntu optimistic empilweni bese wakhona umuntu pessimistic empilweni. So we have this word of says faith. Ligama lithi faith it's a very, very deepest word. Encourage umuntu actually in an intrinsic intrinsic motivation and as well as an extrinsic motivation. And intrinsic motivation, it's a motive that comes within, and now iyabonakala extrinsic motivation but ayiqali kwi-x iqala kwi-in. So Apostle Paul la uthi Apostle Paul ukholwa kuyizinto. It's a substance, substance. So a person who has substance things, it's a person who is always been encouraged by each and every motive, each and everything that's within you. It's a verb word. So now we have a problem yabantu optimistic but abaphazamiswa ama-pessimistics abantu. Uyabona, uyahlupha umuntu o-pessimistics ngoba he or she always listen to what people says about yena, and only to find out usagcina akhohlwa yinto obekumele ngabe iyamdriver towards each and everything that akayifunayo. So here uthi Apostle Paul ukholwa ke, let me tell you guys, ukholwa kwenza ukuthi into engakazi zibe khona ivele yenzeke. Ukholwa, but ukholwa kuqala ezintweni ezingabonwayo but bese kubonakala ngento isi-evidence sesiyibona ngaphandle ukuthi awu nansi into ekhuluma ngayo, nansi khona ingane ekizalwe ekhaya labazali abahluphekayo abazali. But have you ever asked yourself ukuthi yiphi into edriver lo mntwana ukuthi today umbone pilot, yinto edriver lo mntwana ukuthi today ubona ese richest person, yinto edriver lo mntwana ubona umuntu usedrive Bugatti, usedrive Ferrari. But also found out ukuthi kuneyingane ezalwa ama families are rich but uyayibona ingane ukuthi I survive empilweni. You know, the thing that drives a person who is born in a poor family into it's an optimistic, unezinto ezimenza aforesee izinto outside the situation, things outside the box. Uhleze bona indlela ukuthi this thing is going to happen. Darko Blue akadriver situation, akadriver i-challenge ayibona njengamanje. Now ake sihle kanje nake, why uPaul ebhala kanje? uPaul siyazi sonke ukuthi if we go back and do the research, Paul was what you call, he was a politician, and Paul he was the murderer. Yabona Paul, and Paul wayebulala even namakholwa. Actually Paul he was cursed because wayelwa noNkulunkulu. Remember Paul eye Damascus, uthi Paul endleleni ubonya unyazo usethi uNkulunkulu ushesha ngonyazo usethi uNkulunkulu kuPaul umhluphelani Paul. uPaul kahle kahle wayihlupha amakholwa. So uPaul, because of his intrinsic and of his optimistic, uPaul he is an apostle now. uPaul he is umzalwane obhale amavesi amaningi eBhayibhelini, and umzalwane simbone ne-faith, simbone okhuluma izinto ezideep, umzalwane uNkulu oqala amabandla wadabula koRoma uyazi ukuthi uPaul wakoboshwa wahamba amacala kwadabuka imkhumbi wakhahleleka esiqhingeni esithile walunywa yenyoka, but he never ever changed the focus because he knew ukuthi even though now khona lento esho omunye umuntu bishop uma befika lapha ya elunywa yenyoka uPaul uthi lo munye the pessimistics asimthathe lo muntu. He was pessimistic towards Paul. He said, lo uyini umthakathi umbulali ngempela ngoba nasi upoison onyoka umbulali. Yabona, because wayilunywe inyoka uPaul. But uthomunye no lona uhamba noNkulunkulu. You know, uPaul akazange aphazanyiswe izinto abebeyisho kuyena because faith ifaith ikwenza ukuthi yenza uPeter wahamba pheko olwandle. Ifaith situation impossible to happen. Ifaith yakhumbula ukuthi uPaul benosila besetilongweni iyenzani ifaith bathandaza kwaqabuka kwanyakaza isekelo zetilonga. So now ngizothi mina kuwe, be a optimistic person. Even this atmosphere yasemhlabeni ye lockdown esihluphayo, phela imisebenzi bayagula abantu, bayafa abantu, and abanye bademotiwe, abanye abanayo nemali yokudla. But a person who is optimistic akashintshwa ama forces of this earth, of this world, because Tina, we foresee things beyond the earth, with the world, but siyazi ukuthi Tina khona umhlengi wethu. Uyamkhumbula uJobe kwafa abantwana bakhe, kwaphela imfuyo nomfazi wathi thoka lo nkulunkulu wakho ufike kubekani, but he was driven by the word of God. He said ngiyazi umhlengi wami ukhona. So ifaith yenza ukuthi situation noma kuthiwa ayihambe kahle, but ubone ukuthi ukhona umhlengi wami. I'm saying to you now, have faith in everything that you do, have faith in everything that you plan, and know this from today: for what everything that you hope for, it will be the evidence for things to be seen. God bless you.